Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free ReelShort coins in 2025. So as you can see, I got unlimited coins right now. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get tons of ReelShort coins for free. So basically there's a website called ogsnags.com and they have a bunch of discount codes for different websites. So for instance, right here, I just found ReelShort coins. So if you do not know where it is, just go to the search bar and type in ReelShort. You can see it says ReelShort free coins. So go ahead, press on that, press show coupon code, wait for it to load, and then it's going to load this page right here. And we're just going to go ahead and press get full code. It's going to bring us over here. And then you got to enter your email address, guys. So put in your email and they will send you a promo code with unlimited ReelShort coins. And I want to show you guys, after you do this, it is going to show you a little page where it asks you to register. So make sure you do that. I just wanted to show this to you guys because you're going to see it inevitably. It's totally safe. And then finally, we got the deals page right here. So the deals are important to do, but you only have to do one deal. So this Monopoly Go one came up for me. I had to reach board level 10. So make sure you do it, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So you're going to get it for free, guys. So just be sure to try this out for yourself. It actually works. So if you guys are interested, be sure to get the word out because this actually works, guys. So super cool. That is how you get free ReelShort coins in 2025. The secret method that no YouTubers are sharing right now, but they should be sharing it. This is super crazy. You just got to put in your email. They'll send you the code. No jailbreaking, no mod, none of that. This actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys. This is so cool.